Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to Temu, you're in for a treat. Right now, new users can get an amazing free item when you sign up through the special link in the description and comments below. The free item you'll be getting is this large ceramic butter dish that comes with a bamboo lid and a handy butter knife. It's airtight, made with premium quality, and has a natural style that's perfect for your kitchen, baking, or even as a gift. Whether you keep it on the countertop or in the fridge, it's a home essential. Now, I've seen a lot of people rave about this butter dish, and I can see why. One person mentioned how they love the pink version because it matches their salt and pepper shakers they bought on Temu a few months back. They even won the butter dish while playing the farmland game. The lid fits on perfectly, and they recommend it 100%. Another person said it's by far the best butter dish they've ever seen. The quality is amazing, and it was such a hit as a Christmas gift, they had to get one for themselves. And personally, I've heard from so many users about how the dish is solid and somewhat heavy, with a good size, but they're just a bit worried about chipping since it's ceramic. That's something to keep in mind, but overall, everyone seems super happy with it. So if you're a new Temu user, don't miss out on this exclusive offer. Click the link in the description or in the comments below to claim your free butter dish and give it a try yourself. Thanks for watching!